Okay.
Go up here, put it through, loop it around, get your bobbin. There. Flip it over. Make sure your machine is on. That should be enough for what we need. Alright, so just take it off, undo it, slice it on the side. And that's essentially a bobbin for this machine.
Yep.
And you just take it, put it through the bottom. There's a little notch right here, so you're gonna hold it, pull the string up into the corner, and then just put your little foot back in. And you're good. That's a bobbin. So we need a different color for the top. So we're gonna put it on. Put the cap on. Take it, you're gonna put it through the first one again. Bring it down, under, up. Always make sure this is at the top. And take it.
And how do you do that?
You can use the foot
Lifter.
I was gonna say knob, but yes.
Knob lifter, same thing.
Alright, so there's a little metal piece right here. So you're gonna take it,
I'm
loop
an
it
amazing
under.
camera woman.
There's another one right under here with the needle. So you're gonna do the same thing, just kind of hold it like this. Just go through. You'll see it hooks here and here. And then you can just thread the needle.
See that, like, it's so easy to do.
Slice it.
That's like a seam ripper kind of thing right there.
Grandmother. There we go. Nope. There we go. Alright.
It does have a little thing on the back to help you, but I have no clue how to get that to work. With that thing, I don't.
My grandma taught me how to do it this way.
That's how it's gonna be done.
If you don't struggle with it sewing.
No.
Alright, you're good.